Hi all, today I am presenting the seminar database project part 2. Let's see the questions. For the part 1 we have completed till question 3, and for the part 4 it's a question 4, that is calculate the top 5 2 grams spoken by Trump, Clinton, Rats and Cooper respectively. Here the 2 gram words, it's the same logic whatever we have used in the third question. It's for the 1 gram. Like in any sentence there should be only 2 words, except the spoken words. Okay, that is how it is. So let's see the program. Here we have used the JSON for the extraction of the file. And coming to the file, if I see here it's a conversation that is written and we are extracting this complete file, this website, and we are extracting that using JSON, and so for the 2 gram words, if we run the program, we can see the output. Right here. So when we run the program, we saw this output, and let's take any of the example and check it whether it is right or no. Here we can just check for the Cooper, the Secretary Clinton. This is the file we have used. Okay. Yep. You can just see here, when we use the Secretary Clinton, the Cooper should have only those words, but here Clinton you have 2 minutes. The minute is not a stop word, so this is not the right one, and even this is not the right one. Cooper. Right, we got it here. The Cooper, Secretary Clinton. So that's what he's used. It's called a 2 gram words. Now let's see the question number 5. The question number 5 is same as the question number 4, but the only difference is we have to find the 3 words. Instead of 2 grams, we have to find the 3 grams. So let's run the program and see what's happening. Yeah, here what we are seeing is instead of instead of 2 words like I think Secretary Clinton, we are getting 3 words for the Facebook Twitter draft. And now let's see the question number 6. It's we find out the slogan of Hillary campaign. So we have to find out the slogan of Hillary. So how will you do? So first we'll search for the slogan word where the slogan is presented. Here it is. That's why the slogan of my campaign is stronger together. To find out this, how we can find out the logic in the program. So for this right here on letters. Yeah, we have taken the split functionality where we have first found out the word whenever we found the word slogan, and we have split that part into 2. In the same way, in there we'll find at the end is, and the same way we have used for the is also the split part, and where we have stored that information in the part next to, and that is how we have printed the stronger together. Let's run this program and see the printer output, what it is saying. Right, it's stronger together. We got it. The next question, let's see the next question. Here how many questions erased by Trump and Clinton respectively. To see this question, first we have to find out where is the question mark. So to do that, we have found out the question mark by using question mark, and that we have replaced with a blank, and that sentence will be counted the same way we have done for the Clinton also. Let's run this program and check what is happening. Right, we got it. The number of questions asked by Trump and the number of questions asked by Clinton. Let's say, just to verify this, we can go to the document over here and check for it. Sorry. How many times the Clinton? Oh my god, it takes a lot of time. If we just count on only for the Clinton also, it takes a lot of time. So there are a lot of questions. The same way we can find it for Cooper and Rats also. Now let's see the question number 8. What it says: how many times were Trump interrupted and how many times were Clinton interrupted? Here we have to see, while speaking in the conversation, how many times the Trump was interrupted and how many times the Clinton was interrupted. To find out that, let's run this program and check what is the output. Okay, here to find out that, we have used the caret function, and the same caret function, with that we have used the it to compare the character. Here, what do you mean by caret function means, the caret function is nothing but, like, if there is an array, and in that array if there is a word called WORD, and if you print caret of I, then if I is a 0, then it takes the first letter of it, like W. That is how it will take, and it will compare that, and we have used that, and we got the output over here saying that how many times it was interrupted and by the for the Clinton and the Trump. Let's see the next question, that is, how many times did Trump interrupt another speaker and how many times did Clinton interrupt another speaker? You can find out the difference over here. In the question number 8, it says how many times the Trump interrupted, and here how many times did Trump interrupted another speaker. So for this, we have used when it is interrupted for another speaker, when you're speaking something and if you're interrupted by someone else, then there will be a ... kind that they have used in this document, that is a 3 dots. Yep, you can see here. So Mr. Trump, that is how the interruption, we have found out the logic, and we have used the same string over here, and we have compared with that, and we have counted. So when we run this program, we can see how many times the Trump interrupted another speaker and the Clinton interrupted another speaker. It's 5 times, and for the Trump it's 15 times. Let's see the next question, that is, right. Let's see the another question, that is, who talked more about trade in this debate and what is your evidence to support your claim? So here we have to find out how many times, like, who talked more about the trade means. So we have to find out all the words that are related to trade, such as trade, market. Market is also a word which is, and there are other words also that we have used, the industry, business, all this related to the trade. So we have used this word to split. So wherever we get that, we have used the same split functionality to find out the word. So where we get this word called trade or market, business, or any kind of these things, we just find out that word and we count that words how many times it has. And here in the question they have asked what is the evidence to support your claim. So we can just check with other other speakers also. Here we have used for the Clinton and Trump, because they were the one who have used these words. So when we use that, we got to know that the Trump has used more number of times about the trade word, and the Clinton has used less, and others were very less. You can just find it out by using in this document. Yep. If you say, let's see for the trade word for the Clinton. See, 1. Yeah, that's it. Only one time. And let's see the business word for this. Clinton, that is Trump. This is Clinton 1. Before it was 1, and here it is 2. That's it. It's 2. And next, let's see trade. Oh, the trade is done. I'm sorry. Let's see the market, word, and industry. Trade, let's see how many times it was spoken by. It's now for the Clinton. It is 1. I have trade 1. The other 2 are for the Trump, I guess. This is the word has started here. The other 2 are for the Trump. And the next is business word. So let's see how many times the business word has been spoken out by the Clinton. Right here, this is the sentence all about Clinton. So 1 more, 1 and 2. Let's see, spoken this 1. Who has spoken this 1? So this is Trump. So this is not 1, 3. And here comes the Clinton again. So it's totally 4. The 3 are in the business and the trade one. So 4, and 1 more would be right here. It is the above one, 5 about the Clinton. 1, 2, 3, 4. The total 4 Clintons were spoken by the 4 business word is spoken by the Clinton, and there is another word trade that is spoken by the Clinton. So the total would be 5. So that is how we have found out, and we have got the output. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys.